As you all heard about the famous brand HRX by superstar Hrithik Roshan, they have recently launched their first audio range. So HRX X-Wave 7R being one among them, for Rs 1499. Let's check if they are the best Bluetooth headphones available on the market today. The headphone supports Bluetooth 5.0 with the new Qualcomm QCC chipset, and they claim to have active noise cancellation for calling. Apart from that, the product has IPX4 rating and it can easily fit into your pocket. So let's see how good the headphones are. So should you buy that headphones? Let's discuss in this video. The headphones are made really well with a sturdy build and matte finish. The wires connecting the earbuds are also of good quality. Putting them on your ears for a long time, it didn't cause any uncomfort, and due to the ear hooks, they never fell from the ears. So I would rate about 4 out of 5 for the comfort. The sound quality is pretty good and it has a decent volume. See, I never had to go beyond 80% volume, so that is a good thing. The headset doesn't have heavy bass, but still it has a decent bass, decent mids, decent highs. Like, it has a balanced sound. So overall I'd rate about 3 out of 5 for bass, 4 out of 5 for mids and 3 out of 5 for treble. Now regarding the connectivity, even though it comes with Bluetooth 5.0, initially I had to face some connectivity issues, as the product says it can pair with 2 devices at the same time. So that thing is actually a little confusing. Like, I connected my phone and then I connected my laptop, so both were connected to the headset. But unfortunately only the phone audio came through the headset, the laptop audio didn't come through the headset, so I thought like it had some issues. But later I figured out that I had to connect my laptop first and then my phone in order for this to work. Pressing hold of the power button for 2 seconds, it gives a voice feedback that your device is on, and whenever the device is connected also it tells like your device is connected. So overall I'll rate about 3 out of 5 for connectivity. Now regarding the battery life, it took about 1.5 to 2 hours for it to fully charge. Like, the LED will turn from red to blue whenever it is 100%, and at 80% volume, if you are listening, I got around 7 to 8 hours battery life, so which is quite decent. So I'd rate about 4 out of 5 for the battery life. Now coming to call quality, I have tested a few calls and the quality seems to be really good. The CVC noise cancellation really shows up when you have some noise in the background. So this is a preview of one of the call recordings. So the audio you are hearing now is from the mic of the HRX X-Wave 7R, so you can really hear my sound, I guess. So this can help you understand how much quality the microphones have and how much noise cancellation it actually does. So I would rate about 4 out of 5 for call quality. Coming to gaming, the headset provides decent sound output while gaming, but it has a significant lag between actual game audio and the one that is heard in the headset. So I would not recommend this headset for games like PUBG, so I would rate about 2 out of 5 for gaming. Since the headset is IPX4 rated, I just took it for a walk in a slight rain, and the headset actually, some droplets fell onto the headset, but still it is working. So I think it won't be a problem if you are taking it for a walk in the rain, or if you are using it in the gym or sweating and all, that won't cause an issue for this headset. So I would give about a 4 out of 5 rating for the durability. Overall impressions, I would say for 1499 rupees the headset is okay, but I would say that there are other alternatives like Boat 255 and all, which provide better quality, but if you are not bothered about its old Bluetooth 4 version. So if you enjoyed this video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you want to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So until next time, bye bye.